Important documents. You should possess with you two important documents. First one is the admit card and next one is the original photo ID proof. Failing this, you will not be allowed to appear for the exam. You know that this test is divided into 4 parts, and at the beginning of each session, you must have a two-step verification process in which first step will be capturing your photo, and next you need to display your admit card and valid ID proof in front of the webcam. Login time. You have to log in the portal before 15 minutes of the specified time. For example, if the scheduled time is 10 a.m., then you have to log in at 9:45 a.m. And after the completion of 15 minutes from the specified time, you will not be allowed. If the scheduled time is 10 a.m., then for the maximum, you should log in before 10:15 a.m. and after that, you will not be allowed to appear in the test. Passing mark. In order to crack this exam, you have to score at least 40% of mark in each paper, and in aggregate you have to score 50% of marks, and there will be no negative marking, so you can attend all the questions. Paper and notebook. You should not carry any paper or notebook etc. during the exam. Countdown. There will be a countdown clock in the screen which shows you the time you left with. Viva voice. You know that the Viva voice is one of the part in the fourth paper, and in the view of remote proctored mode, Viva voice portion stands remote for the first CSEET to be held on tomorrow. Paper 4 that constitutes current affairs, presentation and communication skills for 50 marks. And in case you face any difficulties during the exam, you can reach out to the following head desk numbers: 9513850016 and 9513850025. And additional of 15 minutes will be allowed to compensate the time loss of any disruptions due to the power failure or network issues. Violation. They mentioned that some of the activities will be considered as the violation of the rules of examination, like the focus on the different window and the webcam is disabled, face is not visible, or several faces is visible in the camera, or face doesn't match with the profile, screen sharing and second display is used, and the full screen mode is disabled. So if you've done any of these activities, then it will be considered as the violation of the exam rules. Exam tips and the mindset you should have before the exam, during the exam and after the exam. Here, these are some of the things you should follow before the exam. First is don't study new chapters, because for the past 2 to 3 months you have been preparing for CSEET exam, and studying the new chapter at the last minute will get you into trouble. You may confuse it with the chapters you studied earlier, and you will not get any clarity on the newly studied chapters. So my advice is to revise the chapters that you studied so far. That is enough. Next is the overnight studies. You should not do overnight studies. You should sleep at least before 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Then wake up early and start revising the chapters you studied earlier. And try to give some practice questions which will give you some confidence for facing the test. This is during the exam. Time pressure. Time pressure is the most common one among the candidates facing during the exams. 5 years back, the candidates will comfortably get 2 to 3 minutes to solve a question. Now the average time for a question is reduced to a minute or less. Does this mean you have a very little time to solve? Usually, candidates nervously work the solutions in a hurry. In the process, they make mistakes and so they rework each questions multiple times. In such a cases, every minute appears to look like a 10 seconds. However, if you stay cool and follow a steady pace, you can avoid the rework. Now, every minute will look like 5 minutes and you can develop a steady pace and momentum by the continuous practice. Next is the don't panic. Be calm and relax to face the exam. Next is the 50% is enough. What it means? For example, in the exam, you have around 30 questions and you have answered 20 questions correctly. Then the 10 questions you left with, don't worry about that 10 questions because you already attended the 60 percentage of more than 60 percentage of questions which is correct as of your knowledge. So leave that and move on to the next session and go on with that. Don't or just attend the questions. Don't leave any questions as there is no negative marks. Just attend the question that you believe that it should be a right answer. Next is the concentrate on exams for 2 hours. For the 2 hours, that is your exam is for 120 minutes. For that 120 minutes, concentrate only on the exam, not on the other things. And after your completion of the test, don't feel about the exam, or I should have write this test, or I should have solved this for problem in this method. Don't think any of this and be satisfied. Have some food and have some small snack and be relaxed. And also provide you the link of the frequently asked questions relating to CSEET. If you have further doubts, kindly check out that document. Thanks for providing me few minutes before your exams. As this is a crucial time, that is the day before your exam, you have provided me some 5 or 6 minutes in order to listen what I'm speaking. Good luck for your exams and do the best. All the best for your exams and see you all in the next video. Thank you.